Hello, and welcome to this shadowing practice video. I am happy that you are here today. Shadowing is one of the best ways to improve your speaking. Here is how it works. I will say a sentence slowly and clearly. Then you can repeat it out loud. Copy the way I speak. Copy the rhythm and the sound. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not wait for perfect grammar. What you need is practice. Every day, step by step. Your voice will grow stronger. Your English will feel more natural. So let's begin. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. I open my eyes and take a deep breath. I stretch my arms and legs. I stretch my arms and legs. I sit up slowly and smile. I sit up slowly and smile. I feel ready for a new day. I feel ready for a new day. I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I get out of bed and walk to the bathroom. I brush my teeth with care. I brush my teeth with care. I wash my face with cold water. I wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel awake. Cold water helps me feel awake. Sometimes I take a shower in the morning. Sometimes I take a shower in the morning. I dry my face with a clean towel. I dry my face with a clean towel. I comb my hair and look in the mirror. I comb my hair and look in the mirror. I put on clean and simple clothes. I put on clean and simple clothes. If I have a meeting, I wear nicer clothes. If I have a meeting, I wear nicer clothes. If I stay at home, I wear something comfortable. If I stay at home, I wear something comfortable. I walk to the kitchen to make breakfast. I walk to the kitchen to make breakfast. I drink a glass of water first. I drink a glass of water first. Sometimes I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit with yogurt. Sometimes I eat fruit with yogurt. If I am busy, I only drink tea or coffee. If I am busy, I only drink tea or coffee. I sit down and enjoy my meal. I sit down and enjoy my meal. I feel calm and ready to start my day. I feel calm and ready to start my day. Before leaving, I check my phone. Before leaving, I check my phone. I read new messages. I read new messages. I look at my calendar for today's plan. I look at my calendar for today's plan. I pack my bag with a notebook and a pen. I pack my bag with a notebook and a pen. I take my keys and my phone. I take my keys and my phone. I put on my shoes and step outside. I put on my shoes and step outside. The air feels fresh in the morning. The air feels fresh in the morning. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus with other people. I wait for the bus with other people. When the bus comes, I get on. When the bus comes, I get on. I greet the driver with a smile. I greet the driver with a smile. I find a seat and sit down. I find a seat and sit down. Sometimes I read on the bus. Sometimes I read on the bus. When I arrive, I greet people politely. When I arrive, I greet people politely. Good morning. How are you today? Good morning. How are you today? I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I check my emails. I write a short list of my tasks. I write a short list of my tasks. I start with the most important task first. I start with the most important task first. I try to focus and stay calm. I try to focus and stay calm. Sometimes I have a meeting with friends or coworkers. Sometimes I have a meeting with friends or coworkers. Sometimes I listen to a short English lesson. Sometimes I listen to a short English lesson. In the afternoon, I return to my work. In the afternoon, I return to my work. I write notes and review my tasks. I write notes and review my tasks. Around 3 o'clock, I take a short break. Around 3 o'clock, I take a short break. I drink tea and eat a small snack. I drink tea and eat a small snack. Sometimes I eat fruit. Sometimes I eat fruit. Sometimes I eat a cookie. Sometimes I eat a cookie. I close my eyes for a few minutes. I close my eyes for a few minutes. I take a deep breath and relax. I take a deep breath and relax. After my break, I feel fresh again. After my break, I feel fresh again. I go back to my work with new energy. I go back to my work with new energy. I try to finish what I started. I try to finish what I started. I turn off my alarm clock. I turn off my alarm clock. I open the window to let in fresh air. I open the window to let in fresh air. I water the plants before I leave. I water the plants before I leave. I check the weather on my phone. I check the weather on my phone. I put my books in my bag. I put my books in my bag. I lock the door when I go out. I lock the door when I go out. I wave to my neighbor. I wave to my neighbor. I cross the street carefully. I cross the street carefully. I wait at the traffic light. I wait at the traffic light. I walk quickly when I am late. I walk quickly when I am late. I smile at people I see. I smile at people I see. I take the stairs instead of the elevator. I take the stairs instead of the elevator. I sit down at my desk. I sit down at my desk. I write today's date at the top of my page. I write today's date at the top of my page. I listen carefully when someone speaks. I listen carefully when someone speaks. I raise my hand to ask a question. I raise my hand to ask a question. I write notes in my notebook. I write notes in my notebook. I drink water to stay awake. I drink water to stay awake. I help my friend carry a box. I help my friend carry a box. I read a short article online. I read a short article online. I send a message to my teacher. I send a message to my teacher. I answer the phone politely. I answer the phone politely. I shake hands with a new person. I shake hands with a new person. I work quietly in the library. I work quietly in the library. I use a pen to sign my name. I use a pen to sign my name. I write an email to a coworker. I write an email to a coworker. I check the time often. I check the time often. I save my work on the computer. I save my work on the computer. I say thank you when someone helps me. I say thank you when someone helps me. I finish my work and pack my bag. I finish my work and pack my bag. After work, I sometimes go to the store. After work, I sometimes go to the store. I look for things I need. I look for things I need. How much is this? How much is this? Do you have this in a different size? Do you have this in a different size? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can I get a paper bag, please? Can I get a paper bag, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Sometimes I go to a cafe. Sometimes I go to a cafe. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? I order a cup of coffee or tea. I order a cup of coffee or tea. Sometimes I order a sandwich. Sometimes I order a sandwich. Could I get it without sugar? Could I get it without sugar? Can I sit here? Can I sit here? I enjoy the food and the quiet. I enjoy the food and the quiet. The food tastes great. The food tastes great. The service is very good. The service is very good. Can I get the bill, please? Can I get the bill, please? I look at the prices on the shelf. I look at the prices on the shelf. I push a cart down the aisle. I push a cart down the aisle. Where can I find the milk? Where can I find the milk? I choose fresh fruit from the basket. I choose fresh fruit from the basket. I check the date on the box. I check the date on the box. I wait in line to pay. I wait in line to pay. Can I pay with cash? Can I pay with cash? Do you have change? Do you have change? Is there a discount today? Is there a discount today? I carry my bag to the car. I carry my bag to the car. I keep the receipt in my pocket. I keep the receipt in my pocket. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? I look in the mirror in the store. I look in the mirror in the store. This size is too small. This size is too small. I will take this one. I will take this one. Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Can I return this if it doesn't fit? I thank the worker for their help. I thank the worker for their help. I sit down in a small cafe. I sit down in a small cafe. I would like a cup of tea, please. I would like a cup of tea, please. I order a bowl of soup. I order a bowl of soup. Can I get more water, please? Can I get more water, please? The food smells good. The food smells good. Can you make it less spicy? Can you make it less spicy? I enjoy talking while eating. I enjoy talking while eating. Could you bring a spoon, please? Could you bring a spoon, please? This table is very clean. This table is very clean. Do you have a menu in English? Do you have a menu in English? The bread is warm and soft. The bread is warm and soft. I pay the bill and leave a tip. I pay the bill and leave a tip. Thank you. I will come back again. Thank you. I will come back again. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you.
And you?
I'm doing well. I'm doing well. It's good to see you again. It's good to see you again. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. We talk about our plans for the weekend. We talk about our plans for the weekend. I feel a little tired. I feel a little tired. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. I am here for you. I am here for you. That's great to hear. That's great to hear. Talking with friends makes me feel good. Talking with friends makes me feel good. I enjoy small talk and simple conversations. I enjoy small talk and simple conversations. Every time I speak in English, I feel stronger. Every time I speak in English, I feel stronger. Every word is a step forward. Every word is a step forward. Every sentence is progress. Every sentence is progress. Hi, how was your weekend? Hi, how was your weekend? It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Long time no see. Long time no see.
You look happy today. You look happy today.
Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? What did you have for lunch? What did you have for lunch? Do you like this song? Do you like this song? The sun feels good today. The sun feels good today. The rain is heavy outside. The rain is heavy outside. The sky looks so clear. The sky looks so clear. I had a busy day. I had a busy day. I feel very relaxed now. I feel very relaxed now. I am a little hungry. I am a little hungry. I am very full. I am very full. I feel a little sick. I feel a little sick. I feel strong today. I feel strong today. I feel excited about tomorrow. I feel excited about tomorrow. I feel nervous before a test. I feel nervous before a test. I am proud of my work. I am proud of my work. I am happy to help you. I am happy to help you. I miss my family. I miss my family. I like to talk with friends. I like to talk with friends. I want to learn more English. I want to learn more English. I enjoy listening to you. I enjoy listening to you. I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good day. Take care and see you soon. Take care and see you soon. Let's meet again tomorrow. Let's meet again tomorrow. That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a good idea. I agree with you. I agree with you. I understand how you feel. I understand how you feel. You did great work today. You listened and you spoke out loud. You practiced step by step. Remember, fluency does not come in one day. It comes slowly and quietly. It comes with daily practice. Shadow this video again tomorrow. Speak with a clear voice. Do not worry about mistakes. Focus on progress, not perfection. You are becoming a real English speaker. I believe in you. I am proud of you. Keep going, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next video.